my colleague, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would make a little video for a summer update and also to give you a little surprise at the end regarding lessons and free lessons. So stay tuned for that. So this obviously is going to be a little bit of a different video. There's no borrow lessons, but I do want to give you a little update of what has been happening. As you can see, there's been a couple of weeks since my last video that I did Indian compositions and my own composition, but since then I've cut my hair. You can see I've cut my hair and I'm really happy with it. It was very strange at first, but I actually really like it. And there's two reasons why I did it. The first one is because I've always wanted to donate my hair and I thought that this was the perfect time to do it. So I went ahead and did it and I'm really happy with that. And the second one is because I'm back in the US because of the situation and it gets really hot here where I'm living, and I just thought that it will be really nice. And I love it. It's getting a little messy now because it's been a couple of weeks, but I'm really excited to see how it's gonna grow and maybe curl, and I'm just so excited. So that's one of my first updates. And the second update that I have is that we adopted a kitten. So we got her from a shelter and she was rescued. They found her in front, like in a man's porch, and they wouldn't go, so he called the rescue people and they took her in. She's quite young and it's the most adorable thing happened. So we went to the shelter and we were looking around to adopt a cat or a kitten, and she started meowing at us from like when she saw us, she started meowing and getting like really close to the cage, and we got to get her out and pet her. And when we put her down to just see if we bonded with the other animals, she wouldn't stop meowing, and it was the most adorable thing ever. And when we held her, like she would just like cuddling and snuggling. She is the cutest, sweetest, most calm cat or kitten I've ever met. She comes when called. She always licks my hand. She follows me around. She doesn't really like to be on her own. Like even if she wants to nap on her own, like if she had enough of like body heat or whatever, she wants to stay close. Maybe it's because she's really young, but she just has the sweetest temperament and she's not fazed by anything. I love it. I love her so much and we're so grateful and happy to have her in our lives. I will show her to you as well at the end of the video. She's about, I'd say maybe 10 weeks or 11 weeks old. They weren't, of course, sure how old she was. She's very young still. And I'm not really sure what breed she is. She is an orange. She has like orange and like some stripes and some dots. But I'm not sure what breed she is. Maybe short hair or something tabby, but specifically what she is. So if you guys know, please let me know, comment down below, because I would love to know what breed she is. So those are some of the updates I've had in the couple of weeks. I hope that you guys are keeping safe and that you're keeping well and that you're keeping very happy. It's been quite a couple of crazy few months, and this is one of the reasons I've gotten so many amazing and beautiful and encouraging and inspiring messages from you guys. I can't thank you enough, honestly. It's been so uplifting to see those messages coming through. I've received so many thanking me to have inspired them, that they haven't played an instrument in a long time and that now they feel that they can do it. And I don't know if you guys realize that you guys are the ones who inspire me and encourage me to keep posting videos, to keep reaching out to you guys. I really appreciate it, and it's been really amazing to be in this journey. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. I can't actually believe we're almost at 5,000. Like that's crazy to me. I remember reaching 1,000 and like being like, oh my gosh, and now it's 5,000. Like that's 5,000 people watching and subscribing. That's really amazing to me. It's really amazing to me. So please, I love that we have like a really nice community. People are messaging and some people are helping each other out with facts that they might know or things like that. I love that, and I think it's really an amazing platform where we can all do that, you know, and I hope that continues to grow. So apart from the inspiring and encouraging messages that I've received from you guys, I've also received messages perhaps saying that you guys are interested in taking lessons with me, and perhaps you have the time at the moment to do them, but because of the financial situation that is happening worldwide, you might not be able to. So because of this, I wanted to give back to you guys, because you're always supporting me and encouraging what I do. And I wanted to encourage you and support you and give you that head start, that inspiration to keep going and to start in your musical journey. Therefore, I would love to gift you guys one free lesson. So if you guys schedule 1 hour lesson, I will give you another one for free, another hour lesson for free. So that normally would be $100 tuition, but in this case, it would only be a $50 tuition, or 25 and 25, 50% off on both of them, if you want to see it that way. And I hope this helps. I hope this is enough to motivate you and to help you out and to give you some of that inspiration and encouragement that you guys have given me. It's only a little thing, but I hope it helps. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see who would contact me. Of course, it will be first come, first served basis. So you guys can go onto my website, that's nicolefig.com, and you can send me a message there. I will then read it. We can schedule your first lesson, and we can of course schedule the second lesson. It can be a week apart, it doesn't have to be the same week. If you want a week in between, I can do that as well, just so you guys have a little bit more practice time. What else? Oh yes, so of course I would love to be able to do this with everybody who contacts me, but I might not be able to do everybody who contacts me. So what I'll do is I'll try really hard to schedule everybody in and try to get as many people as I can on my schedule, and once it's filled up, then this kind of bundle thing will be finished for now. I do want to make more of these bundles in the future, maybe like holidays, or maybe just because, maybe when we reach the 5,000 subscribers, maybe I will do something special, a little sneak peek. But I hope it helps, and I love getting to meet you guys. A lot of the students that I've had over the years have become, friends of mine, and some of the people that I care about, and we keep in touch. Even if now they've gone beyond and doing their own thing, or maybe they do keep coming to me for more lessons, everybody has their own journey, and I love that. I love if I can be a part of your journey. So yeah, that's the first thing. And then the second message that I get as well is that you guys would be interested in taking lessons, but some of you might feel like you're not at the level that you need to be to take lessons with me, or maybe you might feel a bit embarrassed that you're not to a level or something, or that you might not learn fast enough. I'm not really sure, but I just wanted to say, absolutely, please don't think that at all. I love teaching people who have never held a tipper or have never held a drum, and I love teaching people who are really advanced, and we're talking about like other time signatures and things like that. I love people who have been playing for a while and they might be struggling in certain parts, and that I might be able to help them, especially with technique or with grooves, or people who are, they're advancing in their journey and they just want to learn more stuff. I love all kinds of students, and that's my job, to teach you guys, to encourage you and to support you in what you want to learn. Usually what I do with my students that I have for the first time, if we've never met, is that I ask them to give me a set of goals that they want to accomplish, long term and short term. That way I know how to help you guys. I also ask them, what are you struggling with? What would you like to learn? My lessons are not just, I teach cookie cutter everybody the same thing. Every single person is different. Everybody has different needs. Everybody has different techniques, experience. Everybody's different. So I'm gonna teach you guys what you need. That being how to hold a tipper, or that being how to count in 15/8. So anything you need, guys, please don't feel like you can't have a lesson with me because of that, you know? Yeah, you guys can do it. So that's it, guys. That's my news, my little update, and my little surprise. I really hope that it does help, and I hope it makes a difference. Even if it's just to one of you, I hope that it really does make a difference. Please feel free to contact me. You can contact me through my website. I will also link my Instagram and my Facebook. You can contact me then as well. You can follow me if you like. Yeah, so share this video with people who think might benefit on taking those lessons. And remember, try to send me, if you are interested, send me that message if you can right now, just because I don't know when you're seeing this and I don't know how my availability will be at the moment. So the sooner you send me a message, the sooner I can put you down in my books and make it official. I forgot to say, you do need two things though for that. You will need a PayPal account to pay the $50 US fee for one of the lessons, and then you also need a Skype account so that we can have the lessons, the 2-hour lessons. Other than that, everything is done through email, and that's all you need, I think. Yeah. Oh, and your list of goals. That way I know what you need and what you want. I think that's it, guys. It's been a long time since I've chatted with you, but it feels great. I love these types of kind of sitting down talking to you guys, because I don't know, I feel like I get to meet you as well, you know? I get to like communicate with you a little bit more than just playing the drum, which I really enjoy. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you my kitten. I'm gonna go get her. Hopefully she's not napping. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. This is her. This is Moose. Moosey for loves. I love her so much. She's so calm. She's dozing off. Hello. Hi, Moosey. She's the sweetest kitten. I love her temperament. She's so sweet. Hello, baby. She loves to play as well, but she's very gentle when it comes to like our hands and things like that. But she does go crazy, and we have like some toys and we play with her every day, get that energy burned off. And then we cuddle and snuggle, and she has lots of naps and good food and good water and everything. But look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. You know, she doesn't really mind like any contact. I know that some kittens might not like to be touched, like in the tail or in the paws, or maybe in the ears, or in like close to the face. Maybe this is the first time I have a cat, like, you know. So I'm not really sure, but look at her. She's just so sweet. And she doesn't mind things, you know. I love her so much. She also loves music, which I know some cats might not like music, but I play button accordion as well. And she comes and sits in my lap, right next to where the sound comes out, and she absolutely loves it. I also do a little bit of ukulele, and I play a bit, and I sing. I love to sing. And she would like just look at me and would come next to me and just sleep while I'm playing. Oh, I just love her. She's like my music companion. Look at her. Maybe I can do a close-up. Oh, sorry, baby. Look at her. Hi, baby. Isn't she so cute? What breed is she? Do you guys know? She has some like little like stripes, but also kind of dots there in the fur. And I don't know if this is like, she has like more hair here. It's kind of darker over here. She's so cute. Well, that is it from us, guys. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know what breed she is. please send me a message if you're interested in the lessons, and just let me know how you're doing, how's your musical journey going in this situation, just let me know how you are, guys, because I really love to hear it. And if you want to see Moose again, Moosey for loves, just let me know. Bye. Oh.